So that is our first code, and we're going to commit that to our repository. To do that, you will notice the third icon here, the source control. We'll do our version control using Git and GitHub. So to do that, we need to create our repository first. So let me go to my GitHub account and let's create a repository. So let's click new and let's name this CMS GitHub Copilot. There you go, and create repository. And then let's copy this HTTP code, URL here. Copy, and let's go back to our VS Code. And for our initial commit, let's open git bash. And for this command, let's type git init to initialize our command, our first commit, and let's add all of this. So to do that, there you go. So this is a command to add all our codes to our repository, or you can just click all of this by clicking the plus button or icon here, and let's stage all our changes. So let's click that one, or we can just do the command. So as you can see, all our codes are staged in our source control. Next, let's create a message. So we can do that using this command, git command, git commit, and /m for our message, -m tag for our message, and let's just say this is the initial commit. Or you can do that also by using this. And the good thing about GitHub Copilot, there's a we can generate a commit message with Copilot. So let's stage all our codes and let's click this one. Let's see what GitHub can do. Add new files, template for CMS, and let's just say this is an initial commit. This one does the same. This code does the same result with this text message here. So we can do that commit, or let's just press enter here, and we've created our commit. So let's say we're going to publish this one. We can press this branch here, and let's add our repository. However, let's add a new repository, the one we've created earlier. So let's type git remote add origin and paste our link. Enter. Oh, I made a typo. So that is not remove, that is remove. Add origin, and there we go. And let's push that one. So git push. So that is a let's call this master. And it's done. So let's go back to our Git repository. Let's refresh this one. And the initial commit of our code content management system, as we can see 1 minute ago, we have one commit. And let's create a new branch. To create a branch, let's go to our VS Code and git terminal. First, let's check our master branch. So we have one branch here, one for our local branch and our remote branch. So let's create a develop branch. So first, let's check out our master. So there's no need to do that since we are already in our master branch. And we're going to create our develop branch. So let's check that out and add a b tag for our branch develop. And there we go, and it will switch to our develop branch. And let's publish this one. And there you go, and synchronize it to our remote branch. So as we can see, we have develop master local branch and our develop master remote branch. So let's go back to our GitHub. Let's refresh, and we have two branches here, our master and develop. So master, we'll be using this branch for our production code, and develop for our features, new features. So we will be using the develop branch very often.